Hello guys, it's me Harley Cat here, and today I'm with Marshmallow Fox 32. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna be doing a Animal Jam den decorating challenge.
Hello.
So I guess enjoy. Okay, so the theme is gonna be Christmas, and as you see, I have a lot of Christmas items. I hoard them. I'm gonna create a second Animal Jam account just to keep my Christmas items. So basically, we can only use non-member items.
Please start when you're ready to start.
We are starting.
Okay.
Do you have any wallpapers or floors? Animal Jam, we want 3D items. Give us 3D items, Animal Jam. You can use a few like non-Christmas items, like what I'm doing. I'm getting a small rectangular orange table, and I'm putting cookies.
Kind of glitchy.
Yeah. You're lucky you're not lagging like I am. Bandicam kills me. Need to get a new recording program.
Maybe you could try. I'm just thinking. My one, the green Castomatic.
Okay, I'll download it after this because I get annoyed when I lag with Bandicam. My den already looks terrible. Pretty reindeers. I missed like 2 days of the Jamal days. So I don't have all the items. But I definitely do have the socks and the hat and the wings. Because they're so cute.
If I can find it.
And I have I have like 2 or 3 bows. Oh god. I don't know what's with my desktop, but every time I organize it, it messes up and it just goes off. I had all my normal games up in this corner, random stuff in this corner, important stuff in this corner, and then I have my drawing programs in that corner. So I'm gonna go back and center. Oh god.
And I'm good at it.
Oh, the cat knocked my stuff down. But I use Medibang, Fire Alpaca, Paint, MS Paint, and Paint Tool Saya.
Sometimes I use Paint Tool Sai.
Yeah. To like make backgrounds. That's what I do.
No, just use it sometimes.
Them legs on the human Chica and Mangle though.
Yeah, I do like drawing Toy Chica.
Mangle likes Toy Chica. The best ship ever. Even though they're both girls.
Yeah. really like
We have 4 more minutes.
Bangle. Yeah. Okay.
Oh god, mine's gonna be the worst. My stuttering though. You can use
Cringe. Do you not cringe?
Yes.
Sorry.
They were DeviantArt Cringe was streaming a while ago. I think he still is.
Oh.
But if you want, you can put masterpieces and plushies. No. Like the table.
I put an ice chair right next to a fireplace. I'm so smart.
I put a plushie next to the fireplace. It will totally not burn.
It's totally not burn at all.
Kids, never put flammable things in front of fires.
Never. Skippy Fox.
Skippy Fox. 2 more minutes.
Okay.
We have to stop at 8 minutes or 9 minutes because Bandicam doesn't want us to record for how long we want without paying. You are very rude, Bandicam. I am done.
My den's okay right now.
Are you nearly done? I just heard Ender yell what in the background. Are you nearly done? Because we gotta stop in like a minute. You got half a minute.
Oh, internal screaming.
I hope this recording audio is fine because if not, rip. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. You can come in mine first.
Okay.
It's terrible. Please don't judge. Don't judge. It's terrible.
Ours is literally the same.
Okay, let's go see your den.
Literally. Okay, my den.
Yeah, I only use non-member items. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cute. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom.
This makes total sense. This area makes total sense.
Yes, indeed. This outside makes sense. There's no snow, but the plants have snow. Yeah, this makes sense, Animal Jam. This makes total sense. Intense silence.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and put in the comments what one you think was the best. We will also have a straw poll in the link in the description so you can vote. Anyway, have a nice day. Boy.